They said any witnesses that you would call and they're custodian of records, assuming, they're making you
Well,
leap here.
So far it's just been they're just trying and intimidating me and confusing me to make me pay them money like people are money trees. All they've done is confuse me.
Well,
And,
but you know what? Listen, Miss Hitt, I'm not, in no way will I dispute any of those things that you said. I'm not disputing anything like that you said. Not at all. You may be very well right. But the fact is, the essence of their claim is that you guys had a contract, or you and whoever this credit card was with, I think Walmart or somebody, I don't know, and that you breached the contract. Their claim basically is you all had a contract with this credit card, you breached it by not paying, and they're suing you for the money that you would owe under the contract. That's
I haven't breached anything if I can't pay it. According to my research. I have am I supposed to turn in copies of where it was charged off, where they did not send me a card or an account? Am I supposed to send that in advance? Or do I just bring that with me?
I don't know what your defenses are. You said, why am I calling, I don't know what your defenses are.
That I didn't have a contract with them. Because they're forcing me to be in a contract that I had no agreement with them. They never sent me a card. I never used it. I have it on they're called quick studies, that if I don't have the capacity, I can't pay it, then I don't have a contract with them. In addition, they
Okay,
think
ma'am, just a second. Let's say I loaned my college roommate $1,000, and he has agreed with me that he is going to pay this money back to me in 6 months. 6 months comes along, he doesn't pay it back. And he tells me, gee, I just don't have the money. I just don't have it. I cannot pay you. Just because he says he cannot pay me doesn't mean that he still doesn't owe me the money.
Yeah, but they don't have an actual contract. They didn't
Well, that's what they
in
were going to
writing.
have to prove. That's what they're going to have to prove.
Well, so far I've been trying to prove that I don't have time for this, and I'm not a money tree. And my ID.
None of that is relevant. I don't think any of that's relevant. Whether you have time for it, that's not relevant. Whether you're a money tree, that's not relevant.
My time is important to me.
Well, then why don't you all resolve the matter? Why don't you guys resolve the case?
I did right off at the start I wanted to settle with them just to get them to leave me alone. And then they make up all
Okay,
this other
well,
confusing stuff. They want
Well,
a
apparently-
stipulation. They want me to forgive people for following me around, and employees that they have these bully boxer people following people around and harassing people. They kick their feet at me. And they want me to just
Wait. You said they have an employee that has followed you around and done what now?
follow
Say
me
this again?
around. They kick their feet at me. They do all kinds of mean things to me. They put a notice on my door.
Wait, whoa, hang on, time out. You said that somebody from Midland Funding followed you around and kicked their feet at you?
People are following me around doing mean things to me.
Are they from the plaintiff? Is somebody the plaintiff set?
Well, what I'm saying is I'm not able to, what was the word in their stipulation? They want me to, waive any, right to any employee of theirs. I don't have it with, oh, maybe I do have it with me. I don't release any of their employees, whether I can defend myself or not against their employees and their harassment. I don't release them from accountability, for the record.
Okay, well, listen. You know, you guys have time to think about it through the mid-November. If you guys want to make offers and counter offers or try to resolve it. No, but if somebody has threatened you, if somebody has physically threatened you, you need to contact, the police.
They invade my privacy,
Or
rob me of
you need, wait a minute, if somebody is physically threatening you or assaulting you, you need to contact the police so that can be investigated and that somebody can be criminally charged. And if they are associated with the plaintiffs in any way, that would be a very, very, very serious matter.
Seriously.
Yeah, well, I guess what I'm saying is, if somebody's doing that, I think you need to tell the authorities.
Well, then it turns into a syndrome, and then I'm in a position where I have to defend my safety myself. It escalates. They rob me of sleep every single night. They invade my privacy every single day.
They get what? Oh, invade your privacy. Well,
Yes, they do.
yeah. Well, man, I if all of these things are happening, I mean, I think I would have filed a complaint with the Federal Trade Commission or the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau or any other federal agency that has, or state agency that has the ability to enforce the debt collection laws. I mean, I would have been making a complaint. If you can establish that.
Consumer Protection Agency is a young agency. They're claiming Senator Warren says they're trying to make it not so broad. It's too much of a broad issue right now.
If you could get Senator Warren to testify at your trial, I'll let her appear by Zoom. I am not going to make her come in here from Massachusetts or Washington. If you get Senator Warren to this trial on Zoom, I'll hear from her.
She said
You
that
want to call her as an expert.
on her site.
Even if they object. Because that would be good cause, get late confirmation of a U.S. Senator to testify as an expert. You can get that to happen. She can do it by Zoom.
Well, Judge, she said she has no witnesses she's presenting, so she would need to submit a witness list.
You don't have any witnesses that I saw any names of.
She has no witness list. There's not even a senator written, Your Honor. She has not submitted any witness list.
Well, Miss Francis, if Senator Warren shows up, I'm sure you'll think of a question or two. All right, we'll see you guys on the 15th of November. You guys can disconnect. We'll send you out the notices.
Thank you.